Hey everyone, it's Lauren. Thanks for tuning in today. Today's video, I'm just going to be flat twisting my hair using Gorgeously Kinky products. I will be moisturizing it. I'm moisturizing it with their styling milk. This is the Buttercream. This is what I'm going to be sealing my hair with. All-time favorite brand. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. So Gorgeously Kinky, this line of products does stuff to my hair that I did not realize my hair could even achieve. Like shine, bounce, like so beautiful. I'm using the styling milk first, and then I'm sealing it with the buttercream. So let's get started.
Okay, ready? Shut up.
Since the bottle is so small and only have less than half of it left, I'm not going to be as generous with this. If I was to twist this up in this moment, with the way it's moisturized in the morning, when I take it down, it would still be wet. I let my sections dry out a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on to this next section, let this dry out to a point where I can be confident when I twist this up, by the time I take it down, it'll be dry. Similar to this section, this will saturate it, so I'm going to let this one air dry a little bit before I twist it up, and I'm going to come back to this one. So I'm gonna let this section dry and twist up the rest of my hair. I am getting up in about 5-6 hours and I'm gonna take this down, so I will be back to show you all how my twist out came out. I oiled my scalp with the Grow Strong Gorgeously Kinky oil. It smells really good. It's lightly strong. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hand. Look at that already. We got the shine, the definition, and the fullness. It's at a good volume right now. Typically when I use the Gorgeously Kinky products and I do flat twist outs, I don't have to part. The only reason I'll do it is so it can get a little bit frizzy and get some volume, because I really don't mind. Oh my gosh, I love it. Man, I love twist outs, especially for like the 2-day hair or even like 3-day, because it gets bigger day by day. Check it out. That is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of Gorgeously Kinky's products. To my knowledge, they only sell them on their website. I haven't found them in store yet, so go check out their website, gorgeouslykinky.com. I will put the link in the description box. But that's it. Stay tuned for more videos.